ka-Dears in Canada, andito nga pala kasama namin si Jillian. Kasi ngayon ay, ano ba ngayon? Friday, Saturday, Jillian. Today, Saturday, right?
It's
So,
Saturday!
andito siya para dalawin kami kasi meron siyang dalang popping cookies.
Popping cooking!
So, yan, magbablog daw siya.
Popping cooking!
Tuturo niya sa inyo mga ka-Dears in Canada kung paano i-unboxing ang pop-in cookies.
At kung paano ito gawin.
Pero syempre, papakilala muna si Jillian kasi bago siya sa ating
Channel.
channel.
So what's your name again?
Jillian.
Jillian what?
Jillian Nete.
How old are you? Are you a Filipino or a Canadian citizen?
Both.
Oh, because your mom and dad is Filipino. So say hi to all.
Hi.
Guys, nandito nga pala ang aming family at the back.
163.
Oh, di ba? Ayan sila guys. Oh, so nag-enjoy kami ngayon. This is our... Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who's this?
This is Jillian.
Who's this?
No.
Ito? Sino to? Sino to? Oh, natakpan mo. Sino yun?
Tay?
Si Taytay. Siya po ang owner ng Your Pink Guy. Ito, sino to? Sino to? Sino to? Sino to?
That is
Ito, sino?
Taylor Swift.
Si Taylor po, si Tita Taylor.
Si ate.
Si Tita Taylor po. Ako, pero yung kahit po.
yan.
Si ate na yan.
It's Julia Barreto.
Hindi.
Oh, ito, sino to? Sino to? Ito, sino yan? Kinakalapit ko. Dali. Sino?
Tay.
That's Nainay.
Si
And
Nanay Eden
this
pala.
one.
Lalanay.
That's Lola Nay. Ayan. Dito. Sino to? Teka lang. Sino yun? Dali. Ayaw mo na iya kasi Tito David. At dito po ay Sino to? Kalatian natin pa. Tita Lola.
Shoutout naman natin.
Oh, shoutout daw. Shoutout mo daw sila. So guys, let's go. Let's do the pumpkin cooking.
No, I just...
Huwag ka magalit na sa camera.
Wait lang ako.
Okay.
Okay. So we need water and this. And we can buy this at Hong Kong supermarket.
Oh, sa Hong Kong supermarket pala ito binili. O, diba? Let's open it, ate. Can you open it nga?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It broke.
It's just slowly.
Yeah.
Make it slowly, okay?
You just open
Because
it
we need
like
the tray later.
And
Remember? This
do
is
you know
our
this
tray.
and this is actually our tray.
Lunch box.
That's our tray. So let's grab the scissors.
And got it.
Yes, but cut it on both sides.
Ako kaya magka.
So it's gonna become flat.
Huh? Yabang. Ito na siya guys. Ino-open namin. Teka, hindi mo pinakita kung ano yung kasama dito. So guys, here we have what?
Okay,
Dito yata ating.
so we make broccoli, egg roll, sausage, or maybe rice ball, fried chicken, spaghetti, and then
Bento lunch bags. So it's a complete of bento lunch bags. So we
Yes,
have
and
7 packets here of
and
powder.
we're making two today.
We
So
have
we
a spacing bag ate,
Yes,
pork,
and-
and the tray. So this
And
will be our
this is what we have here. Dito.
English yun. Nakaka-nosebleed naman. Baka naman nosebleed sila. Aha. Tada! O yan. So it's time to make! Ganyan mo. Ate, ganyan ko. Ha?
And we also have a fork here.
Yes! Ayan na. Ate, parang
Tray.
ang likod ko naman sa camera. Ha, ate? Imog ko?
Wait lang. I-cut natin to say some side din. So we're cutting it on the other side.
Para maano?
Ma-flat.
Ma-flat siya.
Opo, kasi hindi ma-flat yan.
Eh, daan lang. Baka naman bunting ka. Ako na lang kaya.
Merong madaming ganito.
Ako na lang kaya. Ate, baka magunting ka mo.
Marunong ako.
Are you sure naman?
Nagaganto ako.
Oh, di ba? Yan, and this is our
Okay, this is our packet.
bag. That's the
Spaghetti.
squeezing bag.
Yeah, but it's for the spaghetti.
Yes, and this one is, ate, spaghetti.
The
Yeah.
spaghetti.
So guys, this is the spaghetti. So how to do the spaghetti?
Yeah, but we're making broccoli first.
Make is the broccoli. Where's the
Yeah.
broccoli? I
Here
think,
it is.
I think
This is easy
broccoli
to
naman.
open.
Asan na yung
Yeah,
ano
but
natin?
not
Cup
today.
natin. Cup
This
ko
is-
na to.
Oh yeah, we're gonna cut it. We're just getting the cup.
Baby lang. Oh my gosh.
maintindihan ng viewers.
Nalaglag.
Nalaglag naman. Ha.
Cut. Ito.
So this will be our measuring cup. Tama ako? Ayan. Tapos ito naman yung tray. Dito natin ilalagay.